Oh, are we filming? Today on CarNamics, we're going to be showing you how to put a rear motor mount on your 1987 Honda Malibu. Now I got this Honda Malibu for $237.27 from a boy over in the town over there. It was a steal. It's got a few oil leaks in the engine that do not need to be replaced. People think the car needs oil to run. That is absolute baloney. It was made up by the oil industry who wants to take your taxpayer dollars. But that aside, we're going to put a Cobb rear motor mount on this thing because it increases your torque by 372%. And what are you? Hey, stealing my gas! Seriously though, what we're actually going to be doing today is installing a rear motor mount on my 2017 Ford Fiesta ST. So the motor mount is right here. It's a Cobb rear motor mount, which we will have linked in the description. And let's go ahead and show you how to put this part on. So the first thing you need to do is find the rear motor mount, which is located right here under the car. And then there's two 13mm bolts that you need to remove. So we're just going to go ahead and loosen these two bolts as well. So take these two bolts out about halfway and then take a pry bar and get up in between the motor mount. And out comes the motor mount. So on this car, the exhaust bracket we just discovered was missing. So there should be, on your car, there'll be two nuts here and two nuts here that you will need to remove and then take off the exhaust bracket before you can take off the motor mount. All right, so we're gonna take the washer and put it doubled side out right there. And then we're gonna take the motor mount, put it up, get that pine straw out of there, and put it up in the bracket like this. So now we're going to take a pry bar, insert it in between the motor mount and the transmission, and very gently pull up to line up the hole in the motor mount with the hole in the bracket. So you can push that nut through. Like that. So now that we've gotten everything torqued down on your car, you're going to need to put back the bracket and then tighten down the 4 nuts that go there. Alright guys, so that's how you replace a rear motor mount. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you next time on CarNamics.